Hello friends, Sumit Agarwal, Managing Partner of DNS Accountants. I'm today going to talk about VAT, very contemporary subject, issue, and most of the businesses, startup businesses, are in dilemma whether to register for VAT or not. You don't have a choice if you are by law, by mandatory, required to register for VAT. Now, what is mandatory requirement? If your business is going to do a taxable turnover, the word is called taxable turnover, of more than £85,000 a year in next 12 months, in the rolling 12 months, then you are by law required to register for VAT. You don't have a choice. Whether you service to business customer, business to consumer, end consumer, whether you become expensive due to this fact, you don't have a choice. Now, obviously, this makes the life simple. Anybody who's growing fast, their turnover is more than 85 in a nutshell, 1,000 in a year, they have to register for VAT, and then there can be further tax planning, which I will talk about in next videos. But by law, they have to register for VAT. Now, what happens in case you do not expect your turnover to be more than 85,000? Now, most of the startups, when they start, they don't know what will be their turnover. So in this case, what can be very important is determining who is your end customer. Is it B2B? When I say B2B, means business to business, or is it B2C, which is business to consumer, which is private household? Now, if it is B2B, VAT you charge to your customers is not a cost. They can recover that VAT you charge from the government. So basically, if you register and if you're servicing B2B segment, you will not appear as a very small supplier. It will position yourself, and most important, you can recover the VAT you pay to buy goods or services. So overall, you will be better off by registering for VAT on a voluntary basis if your target market, if your end customer is B2B. In case your end customer is B2C, which is end private household, which are not registered for VAT, or charities which cannot reclaim VAT, if you register for VAT on a voluntary basis, you may become expensive for them as compared to your competition. So therefore, this is an area which needs further research, but most likely it is advised that you should not be registering for VAT and avoid being expensive. Stay competitive. Now, VAT is a big area. There can be different schemes. There can be cash scheme, accrual scheme, flat rate scheme, annual scheme, what kind of expenses you can claim, not claim, how do you go. There are plenty of details, but today I covered the topic whether to register for VAT or not. There is no choice if you cross the threshold of 85,000 turnover. If you're going to do less than 85,000, remember you have a choice: voluntary basis registration. Voluntary basis registration depends on your target market, which is B2B or B2C. I may have spoken fast. This is the difficult area, but I've tried to summarize it as simple as possible. Wish you all the best in your business journey and success. I'll be back soon with some nice topic. Thank you.